going to do a review on So Slime Tie-Dye slime machine, and it looks really good. On the front there's a nice washing machine and there's a picture of a girl playing with the slime. On the top it says scented, and I think it's pineapple scented, strawberry scented, and it looks like it could be flower scented. And it looks like you put them all into the washing machine and then you turn it on, I think. And then it comes out as a tie-dye slime. So let's get started. It's got lots of tape on, so I've got my scissors. If you're too young for scissors, get a parent to do it for you. To open up, so I had to get some help. Also, it says you need 3 AA batteries, which aren't included. So it looks like we've got some. The slime is. I think our slime's in here, and then we've got. This is so cute. I don't know what it is though. I don't know what it's for. And I think you see the washing machine, and we've got a little tub to put our slime in. The hard part is the washing machine. Is it glued or anything? I'm just going to put it open. There you go. Now that's not it. We're going to have to take this off. So let's have a look inside the bag. We've got 2 bags of slime, some stickers, some tie-dye. It looks like we've got a bag here. And we've got instructions. So let's get started and stick the stickers on first. Here we've got our bag and that sticker on. And then, oh, I know what this is. It's fake detergent. Now I can put this on. Let's stick the stickers on the dye. This one smells like strawberry. It's very hard to get right and stick it. Right, there we go. That's one done. Now let's do the next one. This one smells like pineapple. And this just smells like flowers. Here they are. Here are the dyes close up. Wait, what? Did I stick this one upside down? So next up, you need to put in the batteries. Ask a grown-up to help you. Now the batteries are in, let's get the clear slime out and then start making our slime. It feels really nice. So now let's put it in the washing machine. I'm going to do pink and yellow, which makes orange, and I'm only going to do one squirt. So let's get the slime in and turn it on. looks really good. I think I should mix these all together and see how it looks. So now let's see what it smells like. It smells a bit like everything. It mostly smells of strawberries. Guys, listen to this. So satisfying. I think you're supposed to put it in here and squirt it out. Oh no, is this one of these again? I knew that was going to happen, I just knew it. So how do you get the lid off? Well, it didn't come off and I was a bit disappointed about that, but instead I'm going to make some farty noises. This feels so nice. Now I'm going to do a review, and it's a bit of the good, the bad, the ugly. The good news is I love the washing machine. The bad news is it didn't come with enough slime. And the ugly is I made a mess. Oops, this did actually come with gloves. Yeah. I give this 9 out of 10 cats. Make sure you like, subscribe, and if you comment down below, you might get a shout out. Thanks for watching. Bye.